Hello children, in this video I am going to explain mixed addition and subtraction. But in order to understand the topic, first you must know what are positive numbers and negative numbers. Numbers that do not have any sign before them or numbers that have a plus sign before them are called positive numbers. For example, 24, 718, 96. All these three numbers do not have any sign before them, which means they are positive numbers. Plus 48, plus 218. These numbers have a plus sign before them, so they are also positive numbers. Numbers that have a minus sign before them are called negative numbers. For example, minus 35, minus 905. Remember, negative numbers will always have a minus sign before them. Now that you have understood what are positive and negative numbers, let us do an exercise. Arrange the following numbers in the correct column. These are the numbers and the columns are positive numbers and negative numbers, which means you have to segregate the positive numbers and the negative numbers and put them in the correct column. Let's start with the first number, minus 77. It has a minus sign before it, so it is a negative number. 902 does not have any sign, so it is a positive number. Plus 86 has a plus sign, so it is a positive number. Minus 153 is a negative number. 1204 does not have any sign before it, so it is a positive number. Plus 286 with a plus sign is a positive number. Minus 7 has a minus sign, so negative number. Plus 19 has a plus sign, so positive number. Minus 1055 is a negative number, and minus 543 also is a negative number. After the exercise, let's solve few sums. 24 plus 14. Very simple, you have to add both the numbers and the sum is 38. 14 minus 8. Easy to solve. Subtract 8 from 14 and the difference is 6. But suppose you get 24 plus 14 minus 8. Then what will you do? The addition first or the subtraction first? This is mixed addition and subtraction. Sums that have both plus and minus sign together. And how to solve such sums, that is what we are going to learn in this video. In order to solve sums that have both addition and subtraction, that is mixed addition and subtraction, we follow few steps. Step 1 is to identify the positive and negative numbers. You already learnt that. In the given question, the first number 24 does not have any sign before it, so it is a positive number. 14 has a plus sign before it, so it is also a positive number. And 8 has a minus sign before it, so it is a negative number. After step 1, step 2 is add the positive numbers. The positive numbers are 24 and 14, and when you add them, the sum is 38. And in step 3, from the sum of the positive numbers, subtract the negative number. You got the sum in step 2, 38, minus the negative number 8, the difference is 30. That is the answer. 24 plus 14 minus 8 is equal to 30. Now that you have understood the steps, let's practice with few examples. First sum, 389 plus 497 minus 234. You know the three steps. Step 1, identify the positive and negative numbers. Step 2, add the positive numbers. Step 3, from the sum, subtract the negative number. Let's begin with step 1. Identify the numbers. 389 does not have any sign before it, so it is a positive number. 497 has a plus sign, so it is a positive number. And 234 has a minus sign, so it is a negative number. Now we'll do step 2. Add the positive numbers. 389 plus 497 is equal to 886. Then in step 3, from this sum 886, subtract the negative number 234. The difference is 652. Answer is equal to 652. Example 2. 765 minus 582 plus 159. Step 1. Identify the positive and negative numbers. 765 is a positive number. 582 has a minus sign before it, so it is a negative number. And 159 is a positive number. Step 2 is add the positive numbers. That is, add 765 plus 159. Both the positive numbers. The sum is 924. And in step 3, from 924, subtract the negative number, which is minus 582. And when you subtract, the difference is 342. Answer is equal to 342. Example 3. 59 plus 380 minus 89. Identify the positive and negative numbers. 59 is a positive number. 380 is also a positive number. And 89 with the minus sign is a negative number. Add the positive numbers. 59 plus 380 is equal to 439. From this sum, 439, subtract the negative number, which is 89. The difference is 350. Answer is equal to 350. One more example. 149 minus 324 plus 456. 149 is a positive number. 324 has a minus sign, so it is a negative number. And 456 is a positive number. Add the two positive numbers, which are 149 and 456. The sum is 605. From 605, subtract the negative number 324. The difference is 281. Answer is equal to 281. Before we end, let us revise the 3 steps once more. Step 1. Identify the positive and negative numbers. Step 2. Add the positive numbers. And step 3. From the sum of the positive numbers, subtract the negative number.